Hello everyone! Today I will introduce you to some specialty dishes from the mountainous region. Some fresh river snails. Soak them in spring water for 2 days. The fish trap I set yesterday. Crayfish and river fish. This herb isn't sweet flag, it has a unique aroma. Baking soda, half a bottle of white vinegar, and some white spirit. Soak for 1 hour. Scrub them clean. Cut off the tips of the stone snails. Cut off the tips of the field snails. Remove the heads. Remove the gills. Remove the shrimp veins. Mix flour with egg and salt into a batter. Coat perilla leaves in the batter. Deep fry them in hot oil. Keep spooning hot oil over it to make it puff up. No need to flip it over. Fried perilla leaves. Stir-fry the crayfish until they turn red. Transfer to a plate and set aside hot pot base and minced garlic, dried chili peppers, crayfish and field snails. Right amount of water. Simmer over high heat for 15 minutes to absorb the flavors.
爸，食飯喎。
哦，要熱那個涼。
哪裡嘢？
買個飯就食飯好舒服啊！
來，水。一天。
喂，水茶，
還有一個甜筒的。
少放一點。哦，香。
好買就。
多少錢？
像这种短尾的呀，就是福寿螺来的，不能吃的哈。这种长尾的就是田螺，这个小的就是石螺。 爸，吃饭哦。
哦，喂，油盐那个凉的。
老李爷，
哎，这脚做得好忒贵了。
嗯。来，俺捏个钱，你别漏菜了，放松一下。
来，
顺。一天。
来坐。那个酒酿好顺哦，好喜欢夏天的你。
哎。
哦，全部个盐那个香的，
那叫酒啊。
做得好香哈。
有没有？
来，
顺。一天。
来坐。
哎呦，那个汗水冰了一下，你是不是冰凉感的哟？
嘿，腌好凉爽，腌是紧紧的个好舒服。
好理解。